Well, hello everyone. 2 coats of the rust sealer are now on the chassis. And it looks really good, don't you reckon? Lovely. Now I'm going to have to do a top coat on this because the top coat protects it from UV. But before I do that, I've got this, which we've painted, which goes on here, like that. Like that, sorry, like that. And what that is, if you remember from earlier videos, that's a spare tyre holder. So I'll bolt that back on and then I'll paint the top coat. I think that's a better way of doing it. I could leave it off, but I think I'd like it all to be painted at the same time. So that's what I'm up to today. So we're coming along, we're getting there. This thing is starting to look a lot better. Now that's the top coat done. You can hear the fan in the background trying to get rid of some of this fog. But there you go. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Like beauty, beauty, beauty. Look at that. Glossy, 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 shiny as a new pin. There we go. Top of the chassis, painted, sealed, rust-proofed. All done. And I suppose the first thing we've actually put back together again, which happens to be the good old spare wheel holder. All done. Beautiful. Let's keep on moving on.